Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, July 19, Friday. Well, let's start as usual with Bitcoin on daily. That's our routine, let's call it that way. Okay, if you have requests, type in the chat. Any question, same, I'll answer at the end of the live stream. Let's do the overview. It's Friday. I don't know if we'll have too much volatility today, but who knows. Let's do the overview, then we'll go on lower time frame to look for some potential trade ideas. Morning, Stefan. Morning, everyone. Okay. So, Bitcoin on daily. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see the overview. Well, range, fake out here, nice W, bullish divergence, breakout retest, back in the middle. Yesterday or 2 days ago, we tested 61.8 and we rejected a little bit. Well, it's enough for us to reject here and maybe we'll go sideways and then break down. Who knows? Idea is that we didn't retest 60k, yeah, support and resistance. This W needs a retest. Well, maybe it will happen today, maybe Monday, maybe, who knows. This move to the upside was a strong one, but a bit too fast, a bit too far. I think we'll get a retest. Indicators, well, we had the bullish divergence here for this move up. We played out already. I don't see anything special on daily. We need to go on lower time frame to see anything else. Weekly, because we said that we'll take a look at weekly. Let's see. Well, on weekly you can see clearly the rejection from 61.8. How this candle will close? Well, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. I don't like to predict the market. I want to find setups and play my setups and make some money. Yeah, the prediction they are not paying very well. So we rejected from 61.8. I'll wait for a deeper retracement. I think 60k is doable, even staying in this range. Back down at 60 and then at 60.59 we'll see if we'll make a W, if we'll push higher. Okay, that's weekly. I don't think we have anything else. We had a range, fake out, back in the range. In the same time, if I'll close everything here, all the drawings, this is not bullish what we have here. Well, we have to see that. Let's not be blind by the influencer. Let's not be blind by the all the things they are saying about Bitcoin. Strong move up, M, breakdown and retest. We are just retesting that McDonald's pattern. Let's not get trapped there. Let's wait. If the market is indeed bullish, okay, I'm okay with that, but close above 50, 71, 72. Close a weekly candle above the week highs, and then, okay, I could see that Bitcoin is strong indeed. For the moment, McDonald's pattern, breakdown, retest. Now you saw we rejected from 61.8. So let's not get too bullish too soon. That's all I'm saying. Okay, let's take a look at total. Similar pattern, you can see. Yeah, we can say this is a bull flag. Maybe it is, maybe it's not, who knows. Similar idea. Close above 2.5 trillion and okay, we can say that. Total 2, similar pattern. Nothing special here. Total 3, yeah, if you draw a channel, we'll have the similar kind of. Let's take this one. Okay. That one or this one. I think this one is okay. Yep. Something like this. Show me some strength. Show me a clear W on weekly. This is not a W. We have the M pattern. We broke down. We are retesting. Give me a W and okay, we can think about a strong market. Well, that's the overview on Bitcoin and total. If I'll go on the other template on daily, well, we had some bearish divergence on 4-hour chart, not on daily. Let's go on 4-hour chart. Well, we discussed this one multiple times. Just 1 second, bear with me. Yeah. Move up, the last move up here at 61.8 was with bearish divergence. And we have a shoulder, a head, another shoulder. For the moment, either will go sideways, either will break down. At least that's my thinking here. You can see we had divergence. For the moment, I'm betting that will be boring and will push up and down, and will stop beginners out. Yeah, let's not play that game. Let's be smart, in and out really fast. Stop loss at scratch as soon as possible. So even if will stop us out, to be in a free position. 4-hour chart, you have bearish divergence and we have a big EM here. Let's put the line chart to see it. Yeah, we have the EM confirmed already. Now is the retest of that 4-hour EM. That doesn't mean the market could not push higher. And you can see if it's to break down, well, 59, 60K will be the first level. We should stop. Let's see what will happen. Ethereum, well, kind of similar. We didn't touch 61.8. We are consolidating here. We didn't confirm the big EM here. It's kind of a bit stronger than Bitcoin. Let's see indicators. We had the same pattern here. You can see bearish divergence in the last move up on RSI. And we have the same confirmed divergence now. What I like about this one, it's about 50. So RSI is holding 50 line. That's not bearish usually. Bitcoin dominance. Well, the dominance is trying to EM out here. But show me that EM. I need a bit lower to confirm the EM. Looks toppy here. Looks toppy here. Indicators are following the price action. So if we EM out, well, some altcoins could outperform. The strong ones with fundamentals, with some news in the near future. Some of them will outperform. Just give me this EM and maybe we can hunt a bit more aggressive on with Holy Grail actually. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, I'll go on daily. Well, not too many things we can say here. Up, down, up, down. Actually, it's a range. And I'm okay with that. DXY. Well, DXY, like I said multiple times, it's in a range and we have 3 levels here. 107, 105.5 and 103.5. From my point of view, it's a range here and we are playing that range. That's simple. As long as it's staying in this area, I don't have a problem with DXY. Okay, that's the overview. Not too many things, new things to say about the crypto market from yesterday, but, well, to start the day in a proper way, that's how you have to start, with an overview to see where you are, what you can find, and now we can go on lower time frame and hunt some potential setups. Morning Christian, morning Robert. Yeah, Stefan is back. Let's put him to work and to find us some good setups. Welcome back, Stefan. Well, let's go on day trading part, swing trading, day trading part. You can see I have Bitcoin here. I have the Monday high, Monday low. Well respected Monday high, fake out up, down, rejected here. We have a W on 1 hour chart here, but I don't have a location for this W. And look after this top. Okay, let's assume the 66 was kind of top. If you remember, I said if we'll accept above 60K, we'll go to 65. Well, we overperformed a little bit with $1,000 and we touched 66. And from that point, we have an EM and lower highs and lower lows. We are trying to change that here, but until we'll accept above 65, no, still a bearish trend. We can form something bullish here. This could be the beginning of something. You can see W, breakout, retest. I don't like the location here. Sometimes the market is pumping without for us having a location. Okay, so here smells like a rejection here against this initial EM. I don't have a setup. We are in the middle of nowhere. We have to go on lower time frame and try to scalp and look at the market structure and try to scalp up and down, up and down. Well, I don't mean big. I didn't mean big altcoins, Bucur. I said strong altcoins. Why you think Atom and Dot they are strong? They are big. They are not strong. Okay. So, Bitcoin on 1 hour, no, in the middle of nowhere. I like this W here, but I don't have a good location. Ethereum, well, similar, a bit stronger. You can see its holding is like a range here. So we can play the range game if you want. Let's assume this is the top, not the other one, for the moment. Bear with me. And this is the bottom. You can see well respected middle, fake outs here, breaking down in the long reload zone here, pushing higher in the short reload zone here, rejecting again. So the volatility is getting out from this one. Will explode all of a sudden, will do something? Possible. We have the same W here, but actually it's too small and it's in a range. I don't consider this one a double. I consider a range play here. So when you have a range like this, you don't want to play the middle of the range, you want to play the top and the bottom. So if we'll push higher here, I'll look for short ideas. Yeah, look here, some wicks to be tested. If we'll push lower, look at this wick, needs a retest. So I'll play a long here and a short here. In the middle, don't touch it. Pretty simple. Don't do like beginners. Anticipate a breakout here and long, anticipate a breakdown here and short. Don't do that. You'll lose your money. Okay, that's Ethereum. In the middle, I don't like it. Indicators all over the place. Here, bearish divergence, here, bullish divergence. That's usually the case when you have a range. And I think they'll keep Ethereum in a range. Because we have the ETF and they want to play around and take the money from the beginners. Pixel on 1 hour. Well, I will zoom out on this one on 4-hour chart, and I think it's better to stay on 4-hour chart. This trade played out already. Let's clean it up. Made nice money. Who wants to trail more? It's not a bad idea. 6 to 1. It's a damn good trade. But what we have now, we reached a little bit the resistance area and we retraced. Usual, nothing special here. Usually we reject initially. Well, at least give me a W in the pump chaser zone for me to hunt a new setup. Either I'll find here, if we'll dump a little bit more, I'll find a bot setup. Either I'll play with the pump chaser zone for a general setup. Here, I don't like it's too high for a long and I don't want to short. So no. Bitcoin, we discussed. We had a bot setup yesterday on 1 hour. Unfortunately, that failed. That doesn't mean we cannot hunt again. But you can see here. AB equals CD, W, breakout, and was a fake out. And you can see. Took our stop loss. Well, nothing we can do. Log the trade, book the loss, and next bus. Simple as that. Solana. Well, a 4-hour chart is better. Actually, a lot of people are saying that Solana is breaking out. Really? Well, it's breaking out in the resistance area in a short reload zone. And against some yams. No, thank you. Even if it's a real move and we'll do an AB equals CD, okay, do it. But I don't have an entry there. I don't like to hunt long ideas in a short reload zone, you know me. But what I can do, similar. I could drag my fib and I could wait here. So no new setup on Solana. Joe, similar thing. Yeah, nice move up, kind of straight up, but we reached some resistance and we are backing off. As you can see here, we have an M, and probably in the last move up we had some bearish divergence. There you go. So not the best idea to be aggressively long. Dimension, well, AB equals CD, bot setup played out already. I tried to outsmart here, missed that entry. That one was a damn nice trade. Just imagine to get an entry there and to trail all the way up. Now, imagine. It's a 15 to 1. So, nobody could say it's not a profitable. Now, we need to reset. The trade is done. We made money. And we need to think about pump chaser zone. Either you wait for a long reload zone from this move or pump chaser zone from the entire move. Here you don't see too much things to happen, but if you look left you'll see. Yeah. So if you look left you'll understand that we can bounce from here. What we should expect? Well, dropping here, making a nice W, breakout and retest. That will be a nice setup for us. For the moment, no. For the moment is pushing higher, okay. If you want to trail the last position, okay. But I don't see a new setup. Similar thing on Aevo. Yeah? Like I said, fake out here. Resistance above. We break out above the support and resistance level. And now we'll retest that level. I think 50 cents will be retested. I think we can even reach the pump chaser zone here. But that's a fucking buying opportunity. Stefan, that's your setup all over the place. That's your setup here. All over the place you can see Stefan's setup. So please, frame us a good setup, I don't know, 4 hour or higher. And post it for everyone if you want. Yeah, of course, we need an entry, we need a dump, we need the market to dump here and then to play that setup. Ton, well, it's going sideways and I'm not eager to trade this one for the moment. We are long Manta from, I think, Thursday or Monday, I don't remember exactly, but we are long and it's working. Don't bother this trade. Pied. We should wait, yeah, you can see we should wait for a pump chaser zone. We have some confluence here. Setup here, no. Alt. Well, I said on alt from Monday, we need a breakout to clear above this range. We had that, we retested, and we pushed higher. But straight up, not too many people managed to get an entry here. Well, we need a good entry, so let's wait in the pump chaser zone. Maybe we get some. E-Gold. Well, E-Gold was the strongest one in the beginning of the altcoins move, and now is lagging, is going sideways. Doesn't matter. We should wait for a clear setup. I bought this one at 28, here at the bottom, but on the investment level. To trade, I tried 2 days ago or yesterday and I got stopped out in a bot setup. Next boss. See you, Sebastian. FET. Well, if we'll push a bit lower, pump chaser zone, but honestly I want lower on this one. I want kind of long reload zone here. I have the pump chaser zone, but I don't know if I'll take that one. But if I'll get a long reload zone, look at the confluences here, then 1.2, then definitely I'll look for a long idea. Now, not, we have a bot setup, but it's lagging. Nothing we can do here. It's at the entry, we have a W, breakout, retest. I don't have any reason to close this one or to do something else. You want to take this trade, okay? Keep in mind that it's a good entry even here. Why? Because the bot entry is a lot higher. So we are front running that one. I could see an LJ forming. Take this high, a W the other side of the trend line. You want to learn how to do that properly? Join Capua 1. We have one session until the end of the year. We'll probably start August or beginning of September. Only one session, only one term this year, and only 20 people allowed in the Capua 1. I love to have less than 20 people to be able to manage them, and in meantime to trade, because I'm making money. My job is to trade and make money. So if you want, the price is still the same. $1,000 for the people who want to take up one. It's a 4-month program plus another 8 months of premium membership, access, lifetime on Holy Grail, a lot of benefits. It's up to you. Please don't be the guy who'll come after the bull market, after will lose a lot of money and do Capua 1. Please be a smart guy and take that program before the bull market, before the top. Will be a lot of cases. You'll see it even in our community. You'll see they'll lose 10, 20, 50, 100K, maybe more. And then we'll say, well, I want to learn how to trade. I want to learn the proper way. It's up to you guys. Totally up to you. The program is there. We still have places to book. So here, AB equals CD, W, kind of a bot setup, 1 low, 2 lows, 3 lows forming here. So it's forming on 4-hour chart a clear bot. But we are trying to front run with an LJ, and we have this W here. A good level is a good level. You can see it multiple ways. So I'm okay with keeping this trade here. It's that simple. Well, that's the last one. Let's go on lower time frame with Holy Grail to show you some things. I'm blabbing away similar things from entire week, but well, you can see the strong ones. I'm on 15-minute chart, not on 5. A lot of people that cannot manage 5-minute chart. Well, look at here. Nice entry. Nice entry. Nice entry. Let's take the strongest one. Okay. It's forming something. It's starting to form something. You still have time to hunt. Similar here. Yeah. Similar here. Look at this one. Look at this one. You had an entry here. Let me close this one. You had an entry here. You should be in profit with stop loss here. Deep in profit. Now, a lot of them, they formed an uptrend, and the rest, they are forming an uptrend. It's up to you if you take it or not. So, start hunting. Look at Saga. Look at this motherfucker. Give us an entry here and push all the way up here. You don't want me to put a trade here to see the risk to reward. No. We have a lot of coins forming uptrends. The Holy Grail is the best tool to trade on in a trend. Doesn't matter, up or down. Now, let's look at 5-minute chart. Let's see what we have. This one is trying to give us an entry. I don't know. It's up to you. Here, similar. I prefer to select my coins because we are not in that environment where we can take anything and will push higher. No, we are in a selective environment. Some of them will pump. So we need to select a little bit. For example, this one, you can see sideways, 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 and it's trying to push higher now. For example, Solana, it's all over the place. You can see you don't have anything here. It's just a range, and I'm assuming a fake out here. Maybe I'm wrong, but I'll not take a trade there. Well, that's what Holy Grail. Start hunting 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, 1 hour if you don't have time. But some of the altcoins, they have uptrends even on 1 hour time frame, or they are forming something. The rest is up to you guys. If you have questions about Holy Grail, please join us in the New York session and ask your questions. Because people who have access on Holy Grail, they have access on New York session also. So join that meet and ask all the questions you want. Economic calendar, a lot of speakers here, but nothing else. Nothing else to high impact. You can see we have second impact and still nothing. So pretty quiet day. It's Friday. Well, let's scalp. Let's make some money. With Solana coins, I said yesterday about whales. Well, I think it's a good buy here at these prices. Dollar cost averaging kind of style. If you want to take the W and breakout and play a setup, well, it's up to you. But I'm investing here. Fear and greed index, you can see we got to the extreme and now we are at the middle, and let's see what will happen. We are still at 60. Yesterday we had 61. 2 days ago we had 66 or 67. Keep in mind that Sunday we had 25. So a bit too far, too fast. We'll cool off a little bit, but it's not bearish for the moment. Okay, that's the fear and greed. Twitter, not too many things to say about Twitter. Honestly, it's a bit too quiet for my taste to call a top. They are too quiet. I think they don't believe this pump, and this pump will prove them wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. So, not too many things to say about Twitter. Let's do a recap. So, Bitcoin, we rejected from 61.8. Let's see what will happen here. Altcoins, we have some setups at the entry, like this one. Some of them, they stop us out. Some of them, they are starting to form some setups. Like Aevo, if we'll get back here, I'll try a setup. I'll go on VIP to scalp with VIP people. By the way, soon enough we'll start accepting people again in VIP. So book a place with Stefan. DM him if you are interested in VIP. Yeah. What VIP assumes, you have access on everything. Yeah. If you are a VIP, it's month by month payment, but you have access on premium and everything. Everything is open to you if you are a VIP. Okay, let's keep it like that. It's Friday. Let's not be too aggressive. Huh? It's Friday. If we'll manage to make 1, 2, 3 hours, book them and then have a nice weekend. That's my idea, at least. Someone said about I had the impression that we had a request, but actually no. Bucur asked about Atom and Dot, but was a different question. If you like the content, guys, hit that like button. If you don't like the content, hit that dislike button. Yesterday, for example, I was on mute for 2 minutes and someone said, well, I don't like that, and pushed a dislike. Well, it's his opinion. I don't mind. I want a reaction from you. So I want to see if you like it or if you don't like it. If you don't like it consistently, don't watch it, but that's a different thing. Okay, guys, let's keep it simple. If I'll see 1 hour or higher time frame setups, I'll post on general also, or even on Twitter. The scalping, no. Scalping is for VIP, for premium, different things. Okay, guys. See you in the New York session. If you are not a premium member, see you Sunday with the weekly crypto review, or Monday morning with the same live stream. Okay, see you guys. Bye bye.